Hello, this is my AR/VR Unity course. I made a snake AR game. We need to collect food and avoid spiders. Let's start the game. I'm mapping the floor with point cloud. Let me place the snake now. I can restart the game by clicking on reset button. You can see the sound effects and the particle effects when it dies, and also the controls. It has multiple screens. The first scene is instruction screen. This is the scene with instructions, and there is the next scene, the AR scene. I hope you liked it. Thank you.